to integrate sin raised to px into cos raised to qx, where p and q are positive integers. If p is odd or q is odd, we have to use substitution method. That is, if p is odd, we have to take cos x is equal, we have to substitute cos x is equal to t. If q is odd, we have to substitute sin x is equal to t. If both p and q both are odd, in that case we have to take either this substitution or this one. Any one method we have to choose. Suppose if p is odd, then we take cos x is equal to t. Then if cos x is equal to t, then minus sin x dx is equal to dt. Now integral sin raised to ps, in this case integral sin raised to px into cos raised to qx dx is equal to, here p is odd, so we have to write p is equal to some 2k plus 1, equal to some 2k plus 1. So this one is equal to integral sin raised to 2k plus 1 x into cos raised to qx dx. That is equal to integral sin raised to 2kx into sin x into cos raised to qx dx. A raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. So sin raised to 2k plus 1 equal to sin raised to 2kx into sin x. Sin x means sin raised to 1x. Now this one is equal to again integral sin square x all raised to k into sin x into cos raised to qx dx. Another identity, a raised to mn equal to a raised to m all raised to n. So a raised to m all raised to n, a raised to mn is in this identity. That is equal to integral sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. So 1 minus cos square x all raised to k into sin x into cos raised to qx dx. That is equal to integral 1 minus, we substitute cos x is equal to t, so 1 minus t square the all raised to k into, if we take cos x is equal to t, cos x is equal to t, then minus sin x dx is equal to dt, dx is equal to dt. Minus sin x dx is equal to dt. So here sin x dx is equal to minus dt, sin x dx is equal to minus dt, and cos x is equal to t, so t raised to q into minus dt. So that is equal to minus, taking outside, minus into 1 minus t square all raised to k into t raised to q dt. Now we have to evaluate this integral using binomial theorem. We already discussed it. Binomial theorem use ചെയ്ത് നമുക്ക് ഇത് integrate ചെയ്യാം. Binomial theorem use ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഓരോ simple terms integrate ചെയ്യാൻ simple ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഓരോ terms കിട്ടും, അത് integrate ചെയ്ത് ഇത് value കാണും. Same way we have to evaluate when q is odd. Same method, when q is odd, we have to substitute sin x is equal to t, so cos x dx is equal to dt, and continue this method. We have to integrate that one. Now, so p is odd or q is odd or both are odd. In that case, we have to use substitution method. Now, p and q both are even. In that case, we have to use reduction formula. Next video, we discuss that one. So, one problem here. Question. Evaluate integral sine cube x into cos square x dx. Here p is solved, so we have to take the substitution cos x is equal to t. Okay.